Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best KW1 lock pick is probably one of the most essential tools for locksmiths and hobbyists alike, offering a reliable and efficient way to bypass the common KW1 lock mechanism, which is found on a vast number of residential doors and padlocks, making it a highly practical device for various lockout situations and for understanding lock mechanisms. Number 5. Prostormer 259-piece Tool Kit. Experience exceptional strength and long-lasting corrosion resistance with tools crafted from high-quality, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel. The comfortable, non-slip grips reduce hand fatigue for extended use. This comprehensive set is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from furniture assembly to basic automotive repairs. Its compact design makes it easy to store or take on the go. You'll find a full selection of essential tools, including various sockets, a precision ratchet, screwdrivers, a level, hammer, tape measure, pliers, and a wide array of bits for any job. All your tools are securely housed in a hard-shell plastic carrying case. Custom-molded compartments keep everything organized, protected, and easy to find for hassle-free storage and transport. This makes an ideal gift for dads, handymen, homeowners, or anyone starting their tool collection. It's perfect for any special occasion. What we like. This is a comprehensive tool kit designed for a wide range of household and automotive repairs. Its durable construction ensures longevity, and the portable case makes it easy to store and transport. If you're a homeowner or DIY enthusiast looking for an all-in-one solution for your repair needs, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The KW1 is a high-quality lock-picking tool. It is designed for professional locksmiths and hobbyists alike. The tool is made from durable materials and is built to last. Number 4. Ecovacs Deebot T8 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Introducing the Ecovacs Deebot T8, a revolutionary robot vacuum and mop cleaner. Experience precise laser navigation and intelligent object avoidance for a spotless home. This device seamlessly integrates vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping. Its large water tank and precise water control ensure your floors are cleaned effectively, covering vast areas with ease. Featuring advanced true mapping technology, it maps your home with incredible precision and speed. It can even save maps from multiple floors, optimizing deep cleaning routines. With TrueDetect 3D, it detects obstacles like cables and furniture down to the millimeter. This ensures uninterrupted cleaning without any unwanted bumps or accidents. Take full control with the Ecovacs app, divide areas, set cleaning sequences, and designate no-go or no-mop zones for a personalized clean tailored to your needs. Enhance your experience with optional upgrades like the OZMO Pro Oscillating Mop or the Auto Empty Station. Enjoy a truly hands-free cleaning solution for weeks at a time. What we like. This robot cleaner offers advanced laser mapping and intelligent object detection for a thorough and efficient clean. It vacuums and mops simultaneously with customizable settings for different areas. If you're looking for a hands-free cleaning solution that can navigate complex home layouts and avoid obstacles, this is the one for you. What people say. The KW1 is a high-quality tool for locksmiths. It is designed for precision and durability, making it a reliable choice for professional use. The tool features an ergonomic design for comfortable handling during extended use. Number 3. J-Tool Thumb Turn Bypass Tool. Introducing the J-Tool Thumb Turn Bypass Tool, a must-have for professionals. This versatile tool is designed for efficiency and reliability. Crafted from stainless steel with a special process treatment, it offers exceptional hardness and durability for demanding tasks. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand rigorous use, making it a dependable addition to your toolkit. The latest packaging includes a convenient hex wrench, further enhancing its multi-purpose functionality. We are here to help. If you have any questions, please contact us for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This is a specialized tool recommended for professionals, crafted from durable stainless steel. Its multi-purpose design makes it a handy addition to a locksmith's toolkit. If you are a professional locksmith or in need of a reliable tool for specific lock bypass tasks, this tool is designed for your needs. What people say. This Leisure KW1 tool is a game-changer for locksmiths, allowing for quick and accurate lock picking. The design of the Leisure KW1 is ergonomic and user-friendly, making it comfortable to hold and operate for extended periods. Its advanced features, such as the built-in tension wrench and decoder, streamline the lock picking process, saving valuable time. Number 2. Sony DVP-SR210P Progressive Scan DVD Player, renewed. Introducing the Sony DVP-SR210P, a renewed DVD player designed for your home entertainment. Experience crisp visuals with its progressive scan technology. Enjoy enhanced picture quality with 480p progressive output. This feature delivers a smoother and more detailed viewing experience for all your favorite DVDs. This device supports a wide range of formats, including CD, MP3, and JPEG. It also plays various DVD types like DVD-RW, DVD-R, and DVD plus RW. Navigate your media with ease using fast and slow playback, complete with sound. It also comes with a multi-brand TV remote for added convenience. Please be aware that this model does not include Ethernet or HDMI ports. It is designed for standard DVD playback and audio. What we like. This DVD player offers progressive scan output for improved picture quality and supports playback of various disc formats including CDs and MP3s. It's a renewed product, offering a budget-friendly option. If you're looking for a simple, reliable DVD player for basic viewing needs and enjoy playing a variety of media, this could be a suitable choice. What people say. The Leisure KW1 is a professional locksmith tool. It is designed for opening and decoding KW1 locks. The tool is made of durable materials and is built to last. Number 1. Kwikset KW1 5-pin keys. Introducing the Kwikset Factory Original Keys. These are the genuine keys you need for your locks. Designed with a 5-pin configuration, they ensure compatibility with specific Kwikset lock models. Each package contains 20 pairs, totaling 40 keys. This provides ample supply for multiple needs. Crafted with a durable nickel plating, these keys offer a sleek finish and long-lasting performance. Perfect for rekeying your locks, these keys offer a reliable and cost-effective solution. Trust in the quality of Kwikset Originals for your security needs. Ensure a perfect fit and function every time. What we like. These are original factory-cut keys specifically for Kwikset KW1 locks with a 5-pin configuration. They are nickel-plated for durability and come in pairs. If you need to rekey Kwikset locks or are a locksmith requiring reliable replacement keys, these are the perfect fit. What people say. This lock pick is very easy to use and works great. The design is very ergonomic and comfortable to hold. It has a variety of features that make it versatile for different types of locks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.